Message from Lok Sabha. Secretary General.
Sir, with your kind permission, I rise to report that the Lok Sabha at its sitting held on the 20th August 2025 passed the Promotion and Regulation of Online Gaming Bill 2025. I lay a copy of the said bill on the table.
Papers to be laid on the table, Sri Gajendra Singh Shekhawat.
Sir, with your permission, I rise to lay on the table of the House the papers mentioned against my name at serial number 1A in today's revised list of business. Thank you.
Sri Kirtivardhan Singh.
Permission, I rise to lay on the table of the House the papers related to the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change as mentioned against my name at serial number 1B in today's revised list of business. Thank you, sir.
Reports of the Department related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Chemicals and Fertilizers, Sri Akhilesh Prasad Singh.
महोदय, मैं आज की कार्यसूची में मेरे नाम के सामने यथा सूचीबद्ध रसायन और उर्वरक संबंधी स्थायी समिति का 14वां और 15वां प्रतिवेदन हिंदी तथा अंग्रेजी संस्करण सभा पटल पर रखता हूं।
Reports of the Department related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Labour, Textiles and Skill Development, Sri Naresh Bansal. Sri Rajendra Gehlot.
माननीय सभापति जी महोदय, मैं आज की कार्यसूची में अपने नाम के सामने यथा सूचीबद्ध श्रम, वस्त्र और कौशल विकास संबंधी स्थायी समिति का 11वां, 12वां, 13वां और 14वां प्रतिवेदन हिंदी तथा अंग्रेजी संस्करण सभा पटल पर रखता हूं।
Reports of the Department related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Social Justice and Empowerment, Sri Niranjan VC.
Honorable Deputy Chairman, sir. Sir, with your kind permission, I rise to lay on the table the following reports, both Hindi and English versions of the Department related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Social Justice and Empowerment 24-25. First, 12th report on the action taken by the government on the observation of the committee contained in their first report 18th Lok Sabha on demands for grants 2024-25 of the Department of Social Justice and Empowerment, Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. Second, 13th report on the action taken by the government on the recommendations of the committee contained in their 6th report 18th Lok Sabha on demands for grants 2025-26 of the Department of Empowerment of Persons with Disabilities, Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Statements by Ministers. Dr. Chandrasekhar Pemma Sani.
Para 5 of Appendix 1 of Delegation of Financial Power Rules 2024, I would like to lay statements regarding withdrawal of funds from Contingency Fund of India by the Ministry of Telecommunications for expenditure in respect of SATCOM monitoring facility project and to provide loan to MTNL for servicing of the sovereign guarantee bonds of series 7C, 7D and 8B respectively. Thank you.
श्रीमती नीमू बेन जयंती भाई बंभनिया।
सभापति महोदय, मैं आपकी अनुमति से आज की संशोधित कार्यसूची में क्रम संख्या 5.2 पर अपने नाम के आगे सूचीबद्ध विवरण जो संबंधित संसदीय स्थायी समिति के 38वें प्रतिवेदन में भंडारण विकास और विनियामक प्राधिकरण का कार्यकारण जो खाद्य और सार्वजनिक वितरण विभाग के संबंध में की गई सिफारिशों के कार्यान्वयन की स्थिति के संबंध में वक्तव्य सभा पटल पर प्रस्तुत करती हूँ। धन्यवाद महोदय।
Honorable members, a request has been received from the Ministry of Parliamentary Affairs to take up the Promotion and Regulation of Online Gambling Bill 2025. If the House agrees, the government bill listed in the supplementary list of business will be taken up immediately after the motion regarding a joint committee and 2 hours may be allotted for the discussion. The private members' resolution may be taken up after the disposal of the bill. The copies of the bill were circulated yesterday evening around 6 p.m. through members portal. The members who desire to give notices of amendments to the said bill may do so now till 12 noon. so as to enable the Secretary to process and circulate the list of amendments. Notices received after 12 noon will, however, not be processed. Please, please. Honorable members, 18 notices have been received today on 4 different subjects under Rule 67. Since none of these notices received today are in adherence to the requirement of the rules, I am not admitting any of the notices. Please, 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 no, please. आप नहीं चाहते 0 hour चलाना. The house is adjourned to meet at 2 p.m.